In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find suppliers and scan catalogs in the most efficient way possible without wasting hours going line by line through every supplier catalog that you get. This software streamlines the entire process so that you can create a purchase order in a matter of minutes instead of a matter of hours. And you can actually teach a virtual assistant how to do this for you as well, so that you can streamline the entire process. The software that I am referring to is third-party profits. Let's jump over to my screen so I can show you exactly how it works. And so the way this works is it has a good range of tools. You can, check out your supplier accounts here, track their contacts and everything like that. You can have a list of supplier leads. You have a supplier map. You can do storefront stalking, upload your UPCs. But let's get into supplier management over here. So supplier accounts, this is where you can upload your supplier accounts, their information. And once you start placing orders with some of your suppliers, you can see the average order size, the profit per order, and kind of see which supplier is yielding you the most profits, so that you can establish that relationship with them and have a greater connection so that you can get, bigger discounts and stuff like that. This is a demo account, so all of the suppliers you see here are not really my suppliers, so don't get excited, okay? But yeah, so you can see everything here. Now, if we go to supplier leads, you can actually upload your supplier leads in here as well. The main thing you're going to want to do with this software is upload all of your suppliers, upload all of your supplier CSVs so that you have more data, and the more data you have, the more suppliers you have access to, the more this software becomes a great use of its tool. So we have some suppliers here. You can, select the category and everything like that. If you're a brand new seller and you're just getting your feet wet with suppliers, the supplier map is a great tool to use because you can actually find suppliers as well. So if you wanted to check suppliers in LA, you can just come here and kind of see what's going on here as well. There's a ton of suppliers here in greater LA area. I'm not sure why it's not picking that up. But essentially you can, come in here and see Dollar Empire. You can see their website here. You can add this to your leads. You can open a wholesale account with them, call them, check out their website, and properly vet them as well. Just because you see a supplier on here on the supplier map does not mean that they're 100% authentic. So be wary though, you have to still go through your vetting process. So yeah, this is how you would use the supplier map. Very handy tool. Now let's get into product research. So if you go to UPC Scanner, this is the best tool ever because, here we have some example wholesalers. We have KHay, Sale, Unify, 7-Star Savings, which by the way, these are all real suppliers. If you wanted to, you can go and open wholesale accounts with them. And these are all, authentic as well. But for the sake of this example, there is already catalogs uploaded on this software. But the way you would do it is you would go here to this plus one, or you can do a new scan. What you would do is get that CSV file from your supplier and upload it here, columns, and make sure that everything matches. If you're not sure how to do this, just simply ChatGPT it. It's really just, mapping those columns together so that it picks up exactly what row and what column exactly it is. If that doesn't make any sense, just play around with it. Use a little bit of ChatGPT. It's not that difficult, but you'll upload your CSV here. And then you can actually filter out the products as well. So I already have a filter on here, but if you go to set columns and filters, you can pin which ones you want to see. For example, I have the image here, I have the ASIN, I have the supplier, the unit cost, profit per sale. So this is a preset that I already have saved so that I can see everything neatly right here, just like that. And then over here we have more information. And then, this also, you can also find another supplier as well here. So the cool thing about this is that if we go back in here, let's say you upload like 10 catalogs from 10 of your suppliers. You're going to see that this is going to be scattered all over. Like it's not going to look like this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your columns and you're going to filter stuff out. So for example, profit per sale, if you go here and then you select it's between $2 and $15 profit per sale, this is only going to pick up those products that are between that criteria. If you go to profit margin, you can also select one if you wanted to. Let's say you only want to see products that you're ungated on. You can select that here. You can deselect these, approve or required, and you can only see products that you're approved to sell. So if we run that real quick, ROI, you can also be picky here and see your ROI. Let's say you only want to go after products that cost under $5. You're just starting out with a limited budget. You can do that here. You can also go with your total profit if you want like a $4 profit minimum. Estimated sales as well. If you want to put, let's say, we'll go through it together. Let's say, well, actually the estimated sales, I'll leave that blank. Rank will do the job for us. 120,000 in sales rank, you know you're going to get products that are kind of fast moving. And then you pretty much hit apply. And that's going to filter out all the catalogs that are within that criteria. And then I don't know why this Discord thing is over here. I tried to remove it. I just couldn't figure it out. Don't judge me. But yeah, here you can see, as you can see, there's a profit per sale, $2. There's a 7% margin and we're approved to sell this product. ROI is 15%. This one cost around $10. And then you can do a lot of cool little things here. You can check the Keepa. You can check the Amazon listing. This will pull up the Keepa. You can take a closer look and see what's really going on here. You can see the data, but there's a lot of cool little things that you could do with this software. Now, let's say you actually want to add this one here from Medicare. It's a $2 profit, 22% ROI. The more you go down here, the higher the profit gets as well. So another cool thing you can do here is you can save this product and add it to your purchase order. So if we hit that there, let's say your estimated sales, you can also see at that here, like how many units you predict that you can sell on this listing. Obviously checking your Keepa and checking how many sellers are on there, you'd be able to get that math. And then you would just put save in folder and working purchase order. And so then you hit submit. And so that'll come out over here to your working purchase orders and see it's right there. Now, if you want to buy 12 units, you can add that in here, but you can see your profits realistically, where they're coming from and what supplier they're coming from as well. So it gives you visibility on which are your most profitable products and your most profitable suppliers. Here's your cost of goods. Here's your revenue, your average ROI. So this software kind of just makes everything easier to see on which suppliers are bringing you the most profit, which products are the most profitable. It's amazing, honestly. So another cool thing that you can do with this tool is if you go to the Storefront Stalker here, now we already uploaded all of our suppliers, right? We already uploaded all of our UPCs, all of our supplier catalogs. So this software already has some data. Now, if we add some storefronts that we've been stalking, because I know I stalk some storefronts, I have them written down on a Google Sheet. Now, from that Google Sheet, I can add those sellers, get their seller ID and their storefront URL, and then hit submit. As you can see, I have some stocked sellers already here. I have these people here that I constantly see on these listings constantly coming up. So what I did is I uploaded their storefronts and I can see their products right now based on all the data that I have in the software from my suppliers, all of their catalogs. If there's a product that one of my suppliers is carrying that is also on one of these storefronts, it's going to tell me what supplier they're likely getting it from, and also what price they might be getting it at as well. So it kind of makes it way easier to reverse source at a wholesale level, because you know there's storefront stocking for arbitrage, right? So this is kind of the same thing, but for wholesale. So it's pretty cool. It gets kind of fun. You kind of go down a rabbit hole and kind of start sourcing and stuff. You could teach this to a virtual assistant and have them kind of go down that rabbit hole and spend the time doing that for you. You would just come in and then check your working purchase orders and double check all of that criteria and make sure everything is within your criteria. So this is probably my favorite part about the software is storefront stalking. And then same thing, you can set the columns and kind of filter out those catalogs and kind of see what fits your criteria from there as well. This is an amazing software to start with. Very useful, very time efficient. Another thing that they're working on is brand research. For those of you that want to do a little bit of like brand direct, you can kind of get in here as well, see all the brands. It's kind of like SmartScout. If you guys are familiar with SmartScout, you would just, set your filters, bring that down a little bit, and then you can see what brands are doing good. And then you would get the brand's contact. So I think this tool is on its way to becoming the only tool that you'll need for your workflow if you're heavy on Amazon wholesale, because it has all of your supplier accounts here, all of your supplier leads. So it kind of gets rid of like the average Google Sheet, having everything on a Google Sheet. And you have your supplier map, you have your UPC scanner, you have your storefronts that you're stocking. Now you have your brand research. So this kind of, I don't want to say that it weeds out SmartScout yet, because I know it is in beta. Actually, it's out of beta right now. But it kind of does what SmartScout does too, in a sense. So this is kind of like an all-in-one software. But it's pretty amazing, to say the least. You can even filter by brand restrictions. If you go to saved products as well, you can see all the products that you saved from all of your supplier catalogs, from all the storefronts you've been stocking. Now, if we filter this down a little bit and we go down to profit per sale and we go to is greater than, and we want at least a $3 profit, and then we hit apply, we can see products that we saved that are at least a $3 profit. So if you find a product that is around like a $1 profit, $2 profit, it's not within your criteria yet, you can add it to your saved products. And let's say the supplier maybe changes the price, you can check and you kind of see if that's been updated here as well. You can contact them and kind of go from there. But pretty cool, because now instead of saving all of your products on the Google Sheet, you can have them all here in this software forever. So other cool little things with the purchase order here. You can, add your purchase order and download it and then submit it to your supplier. Also restocking your best-selling products as well. You can filter by profit, see which ones are bringing you the most profit, and restock the winners and drop the losers. You can see all of your inventory that's in here as well. This connects to your Seller Central account, what's in your warehouse. If you have a warehouse, you can see what's in there. And the developer from this software, which is Paul, good friend of mine, he has a whole education on strategies and best practices and tutorials, and a community down here as well. I do have a link in the description if you guys want to check out this software, but I totally recommend it for anybody who is just getting their toes wet with Amazon wholesale, because this is going to be the fastest way to land a supplier account, to go through those purchase orders if you're not entirely ready for a virtual assistant. So totally recommend to give this one a shot. There is a free trial, I believe. But definitely check out that link in the description, and let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to see another tutorial on any other software. Just let me know, and then we'll go from there. Okay.